Hello, good morning guys. Another day, another video. Richard Mechanic here. So guys, today Friday, June 20 guys. Friday ngayon, so race din natin ngayon. Kararating lang yung kapalitan natin si Hill, si Boss Hill, galing bakasyon. So ngayon guys, meron akong pinagawa dito yung bike ko. Ayan o. Wala pang yung brake niya sa likod, wala kasing walang bracket, hindi mailagay. Ayan, papagawa ko. So, sa location natin sa may likod lang ng Madinet side. Alright, hindi yung Madinet side. Yan o, ang Madinet side. So, guys, yung mga bike dito, bike shop, dami. Yan, from doon hanggang doon, hanggang dito. Bicycle shop hanggang doon. So guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga laman sa loob. Tawag po na sa mga mga subscribers natin, guys, sa mga mahilig sa bike daw, sa mahilig sa bike. Okay guys, shout out. So guys, so bicycle shop, Sahin Bicycle Shop LLC. So pakita ko sa inyo yung bike ko. Brother, good. Tell me your name, what you are doing, and are you happy today?
My name is Aziz Siddiqui
Okay.
from Afghanistan. I work here. I just been repairing bicycle, scooters.
So I think you are your technician here, right? Long time now. I think long time. I saw you here long time.
Maybe it's 5 years.
Yeah, see, I told you. Okay, brother. So what you are doing? This one for bracket for my bike.
Yeah.
Guys, see,
I just
he provide me this bracket to fix on this rear brake. Okay, brother. Can I check inside? All right, thank you. Oh, Shahin Bicycle Shop, and see from here, small bikes, kids bike here. And as you go inside, you will see this again, kids bike there. You see there, kids bike, and also you have your adult bikes, big 26, 27, 29. So guys, one of these shops in Modern side. So guys, we have here. Hello brother, good morning. Okay, tell me your name. Tell me about what you're doing now.
Yeah, my name is Pablo.
Mm.
Yeah, we are fixing this Alter bike.
What? Alter?
Yeah, Alter Kugu V01. We are making.
This one Kugu.
Yeah, paint job, upgrade. Speed is 160 speed, 48 volt. Yeah.
48 volts.
Yeah, and this for doesn't.
You mean you're upgrading?
Yeah, we are upgrading. We are
Oh,
upgrading.
good.
Now we make it pan and make it speed higher and battery more. The motor power is more higher. Yeah.
Oh my God, what's this is bracket that the rear is very big. So this one too much torque on this one.
Yeah, boss, this is very best good. Best good. And there's hydraulic brake, not the normal brake. There is speed, 1 to 3 speed. Yeah.
And also the controller now is different now.
Yeah, this is it's different controller, bro.
It's different.
Yeah, it's very good controller.
Hmm.
It's motor power like 3500 watts.
Oh.
It's coming 1500, but we make it 3500 watts.
Okay guys, see what is doing it. This one is a new model of Kugo, and still he is upgrading this one.
Yeah. It's not fixed, like this. After 200 finish.
I want to see this one
We'll
run.
make it change the light also, put the steer bar light.
See, one more is coming. One more is coming. Okay guys, see the one of a good mechanic here in the bicycle shop. Okay. See, I will show you more. I will show you more. This is stand scooter. Stand scooter. And a lot of seated scooter now. See, one of these again. See, this one another. So stand-up scooter. You see here. And here's the electric. seated electric bike. See, this one's cool. So they are now upgrading the controllers. Already upgraded. So this one will, I'm sure, it will be more torque and more speed. With pedal assist. So I love this one. Seems like dirt bike. This one seems like dirt bike. Seems like dirt bike. Oh, MX bike. Right. Oh, this is battery.
Yeah, this is the battery. It's sticker, carbon fiber.
Ah,
sticker.
it's,
Yeah,
typical.
we have sticker.
It's like. Do you have that one sticker?
Yeah, we have. Yeah.
Can I buy one?
No problem. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Guys, see, they have see like carbon fiber battery pack, but it's only sticker. I went last time in Cornish. I saw some.
Yeah, there is too much, you know.
Too much using this one.
Yeah, it's too much for using this one, bro.
Guys, if you want any electric bikes, stand-up scooter, and kids bike, you will visit this shop in the back of the inside. Okay, and look for Pablo.
And this Amatsia.
Amatsia.
My colleague.
Yeah, and they will assist you whatever you want. They can fix, they can assemble what parts you want, right? Hi guys,
Okay, what's it?
thank you Pablo. Alright, so please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Please support me. Alright, and don't forget to visit these bicycle shops, Shahin. Okay, so I will see around on this one so you can remember what where is this one. So okay guys, please and subscribe. Richard Cat.